Hi friends, I'm Sandeep Kedia and this is Saturday Life Talks, and I welcome you again for this incredible journey on how can we enhance our life with simple practices. In our life, relationships plays a very important role. As we live on this planet, we share with many billion people. There are relationships involved, and for relationships to grow and expand, communication plays a very important role. And effective communication can make you grow and expand in your relationships, and an ineffective communication can create a lot of different kinds of problems. Today I want to talk to you about how can you make a most effective communication with people you love, care about, or you work with. Whenever we want to make an effective communication, an important thing is that instead of pointing out on the person, point out on the traits. It is the traits or the qualities or the acts which are either good or appreciable or non appreciable, which you like or dislike or whatever it is. And when you point out on those acts and suggest how can we make them better in order for a more fulfilling experience for both the parties or all the parties involved, then there is a room for growth and expansion. But when we point out onto the person, whether good or bad, when we point out good, it uplifts the ego, and when you point out bad, it creates a rift into the relationship, and that is when you are missing the whole idea of a more effective and better you know relationships which can help you to grow as well as the other person to grow at the same time. So in this short video I want you to focus on this idea that when you are trying to communicate with people, always traits are to be pointed out, whether they are good or not good, or you like or dislike, or how can there be improvement in order to get more effective results. It is even better that if we don't point out it as a bad or good, it rather we point out how can we improvise on this subject for more better life experience. These simple points can help you to make better relationships in your personal as well as professional life. So thank you very much for enjoying this video. See you again on the Wealthy Wednesday series and Saturday Life Talks. And if you have any questions, then you can point on the comment section below, or you can write to me on the messenger or on any other form of social media communication. Thank you very much. This is Sandeep Kedia signing off, and see you again very soon. Till then, have a good time. Bye bye.